Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Today let's learn the construction of some special angles. The first one, how can we construct a 60-degree angle? So let's see an example of how to construct a 60-degree angle. The first step is to take the ruler, draw a line L of any length. So let's draw a line now. Take the ruler, place it properly on the paper. Now draw a line L of any length. So here we have line L. Let's mark a point B on this line. So here I am marking a point B. This is going to be the vertex of this required angle. Now the next step is to take the compass. Place the pointer of the compass on point B. Choose a convenient radius and we have to draw an arc with B as the center. So let's do that now. So right now we have drawn an arc with B as the center. So let's mark this intersecting point as A. Now use the same radius and then with A as the center, we have to draw an intersecting arc. Let's do that now. So with A as the center, we are drawing an arc which intersects the previous arc. Set aside the compass. So here we have a point of intersection. Let this point be point C. Take the ruler, draw a line which joins the points B and C. Let's do that now. Keeping the ruler properly aligned, we are drawing a line joining points B and C. Put an arrow mark here. Now we have an angle here, angle CBA, and the measure of this angle will be equal to 60 degree. So this is how we can construct a 60 degree angle. First, draw a line L of any length. You have to mark a point on it. Choose a convenient radius to draw an arc with B as the center. Now use the same radius. Keep the pointer of the compass at A. Draw an arc intersecting the previous arc and then join the intersecting point with the point B or the vertex of the required angle. The resulting angle will be equal to 60 degree in measure. So this was about a 60 degree angle. So now let's see how we can construct an angle which measures 120 degree. That would be double the measure of a 60 degree angle. Let's see the steps. The first step, draw a line L of any length and you can mark a point B on it. Now take the compass, place the pointer at point B. Choose a convenient radius to draw an arc with B as the center. So with B as the center and a convenient radius, we have drawn an arc. Now let this intersecting point be point A. Now with A as the center and the same radius, we are going to draw another arc. Let's draw the second arc. Now we have a point of intersection. Let this be point C. Now if you join a line connecting points B and C, that would be a 60 degree angle. 120 is double that. So let's draw another arc with the same radius with C as the center. So with C as the center and the same radius we used in the previous case, we are going to draw another arc. So now we have a new point of intersection and let this point be the point D. Now let's draw a line using the ruler joining points B and D. So till here it was 60 degree. Now with the same radius we drew another intersecting arc here. So now it has reached 120 degree. So let's join the points with a line using the ruler. So with the ruler properly aligned, let's draw a line joining points B and D. Put an arrow mark here. So now we have angle DBA and the measure of this angle is equal to 120 degree. So this is how we can construct a 120 degree angle. Now let's see how we can construct a 90 degree angle or a right angle. The steps are similar to drawing a perpendicular to a line passing through a given point on the line. So this is just another way of drawing a perpendicular to a given line. You can use both methods to construct a 90 degree angle. The first step is to draw a line L of any length. So let's do that now. With your ruler, draw a line L of any length. Now let this be line L. Mark a point P on it. Now the next step is to take the compass, place the pointer on point P, choose a convenient radius to draw a semicircle with P as the center. So with P as the center, we are drawing a semicircle, and so the semicircle touches the line L at two different points. So let this point be point A. Now with A as the center and the same radius that we used to draw the semicircle, we are going to cut or intersect an arc on this semicircle. Let's see how. So with A as the center and the same radius we use for the semicircle, we are going to draw an arc that intersects the semicircle. So drawing the arc, here we have a point of intersection, and let this point be the point B. Now with B as the center and again the same radius, we are going to draw another arc. So with B as the center and the same radius, we are drawing another arc intersecting the semicircle here. So let this point be the point C. Now the next step is to place the pointer at point B. Choose a radius which is more than the distance between the points B and C. And with this new radius, we are going to draw an arc above this semicircle. So let's do that now. Now with B as the center and radius which is more than half the length between B and C, we are drawing an arc above this semicircle. Now repeat the process with C as the center. With C as the center and the same radius, we are going to draw an arc here, and we have a point of intersection. Now let this point be the point D. This is point D. Set aside the compass. Now we are going to draw a line joining the points P and point D with the ruler. So with the ruler properly aligned, let's draw a line to join points D and P. So here we have a perpendicular DP to the line L. Now this angle here, this will be equal to 90 degree. So if this is point E, then angle DPE is equal to 90 degree, or it is a right angle. So you have already learned how to construct a perpendicular to a given line passing through a point on the line. So this is another method. You can use both methods to construct a 90 degree angle. So here, don't forget to put the arrow mark to indicate the angle. So I hope these steps are clear to you. So today we saw how to construct a 60 degree angle, a 120 degree angle and a 90 degree angle using the ruler and the compass. I hope the topics are clear to you. You may please go through these topics once again. This is given under construction of special angles starting from page number 214 in your textbook. So that's all for today, children. I hope all the concepts we learned in this chapter are clear to you. So in the next class, we'll discuss the questions from revision time exercise. A few fun activities are also mentioned in your textbook before the revision time exercise. So please go through that as well. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye.